I'm curating the craft exhibition called Infinite Drape, which explores the art and craft of sari draping here in India and the many techniques and many ways that one can drape a sari. There are over 100 techniques that have been documented. We're looking at 20 of those. I'm returning back to Serendipity. I first curated an exhibition in 2018 called Matters of Hand. I'm very excited to be back here for the 10th edition. You know, it's more expansive, more immersive, more of everything. You know, as every year, it's very unique and special. And you know, we have over 30 curators.
35.
We have 35 curators this year, so each, you know, with a very exciting exhibition. In previous years, it's 12 to 14. So it's like this year, everything is, you know, on steroids, you could say, in a really good way. We're expecting, you know, many people and visitors to come and visit, and you know, the festival is very inclusive, so we're inviting everyone and anyone to come, to participate, to see, experience. You know, a lot of the projects are very immersive also. The exhibition I'm curating, you know, on sari draping, we also invite viewers to come and drape their own saris and to experiment with, you know, their own drapes. So I think, yeah, this sort of interactive, immersive experiences is going to be very special.
Ma'am, you have tried it with Goa's Kunbi sari and Goa's Kunbi sari.
Yes, we're actually looking, so of the 20 drapes, 16 are from different regions of India. So of course, one drape is from Goa. It's the Christian Kunbi drape. There's also the Hindu Kunbi drape. So basically it's the Kunbi drape. And the saris are actually all by the designer Raw Mango. And each sari will have a video from the sari series showing how the drape is done. So it's really about the technique of draping, more so than the textile itself. But there will be Kunbi saris for visitors to try on.
Okay.
Yeah.
A location for the project?
Sure. Our exhibition is taking place at Azad Maidan. It's one of the craft exhibitions. Yeah. The exhibition opens on the 14th until the 21st.